Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into mining blocks. We're going to be doing a super quick update, looking at how our account is doing and checking out the Christmas event. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we're here in my mining blocks account, and it has been 3 weeks since the last time we did a video on mining blocks. And 3 weeks ago, our account HP, so hashing power, was at 261.44 gigahashes. You can now see we are at 318, nearly 319 gigahashes, and I will show you how we got there in just a second. We were also 50% of the way through level 47. You can now see we're getting to the end of level 47. I know a lot of you whip through these levels so fast, leaving me in the dust, but for me it does come down to time, and I don't always get in here, or I'm not always able to spend as much time as I want to in here, which is actually more the point. Okay, so anyway, that is the situation of our account. Like I say, I will go into how we've boosted our account in just a second. A couple of things though I just want to point out and sort of bring this to the attention of any new players. Obviously we've had a few new players sign up, but if you have not done so already, as it says here, make sure you are enabling your two-factor security. Now this is also obviously a shout out to any older members that have not done this yet. Simply put, two-factor security is just another layer of security, which means that is another layer of security that hackers have to get through should they crack the mining blocks external security. If they get through that, and then they've got free reign over the whole site, they've got free reign over the accounts. Pretty much all of the accounts that are going to get hacked are going to be accounts that do not have two-factor security enabled. Obviously, I'm not guaranteeing that, but usually hackers will come in to a site and they're looking for easy targets. They don't want to be in here for long. They want to get in, get whatever they can, and then get out. That's it. They don't want to be messing around with trying to hack second layer security. So like I say, if you've got two-factor security enabled, your account is less likely to be hacked, or less likely to have all your coins taken and stuff like that. So people without this are much more vulnerable. So if you don't have it yet, go and enable that now. Okay, so we've got a couple of small things running in the way of events. We've got the Faucet event, so get up to 8 mining tokens every claim from the 1st of December to the 9th of December. It is now the 3rd of December, so you've got 5 more days for that. That will continue for 5 more days. We've also got the mining block token. So get 2 times tokens for completing short links and tasks in offer walls, again from the 1st of December to the 9th. So 5 more days. Oh, sorry. What am I on about? 6 more days. Sorry, I'm going a bit mad. 6 more days from today. It's the 3rd of December. So 6 more days from today. Christmas event. So the Christmas event is going to run from the 1st of December to the 7th of January. So you've got over a month to go at that, and basically it is a crafting event. But this is, how can I put it? It's sort of like good in 2 ways. Basically because you've got the crafting event. So if we go into the craft section, we can scroll down, find the Christmas miners, So we've got a gift miner, I think is the first Christmas miner. So yeah, here we go. We've got gift miner. And then to craft it, these are all the items you will require to craft it. You can see a lot of the stuff I've got is in the green. And then I've got the odd thing that is not in the green. The reason why all my T1 stuff is not in the green is because I actually upgraded one of my T1 miners recently, which obviously is one of the ways I've added to my power. And that's basically, I have pretty much not a lot of T1 stuff left. Like my graphics card, totally gone. And then obviously once you've collected everything, it's going to cost you 3.5 blocks to craft. And then you've got the Christmas miner. Jeez, excuse me. Let me just have a drink. So you have the Christmas miner 2023. I've got everything I require for that. That's going to give me a 4.8 to 7.8 gigahashes. It's going to require 15 to 36 watts, and it's only going to use 2 to 4 spaces, which actually isn't that bad, but it will cost you 5.75 blocks. Now, this one was 2.8 to 455, so this is sort of like the next step, as it were. 15 to 36, so the watts are the same and the spaces are the same. So, I mean, what is that? 3.5 and 575. Yeah, because the thing is, obviously, if you end up at the low area, you've spent two blocks for not a lot more than if you'd ended up at the high end of this one. Yeah, but obviously, if you end up at 7.8 or close to it, I guess that's actually not too bad. So you've got this one, which is the frozen miner. So you got this is going to give you 16.6 to 26.975 gigahashes, which is very nice. But obviously you're going to need a lot higher spec parts, and then it's going to cost you 30 blocks as well. But the fact that it only takes 2 to 4 spaces and it's the same wattage as the other two, that is really good. And then this one, so this is obviously the big one. And then this one is going to be 8.2 to 13.325 gigahashes. Watts are the same as the previous one. Spaces are the same as the previous one. It's going to cost you 6.5 blocks. So I get, but again, you're going to use higher end specs. What's this? This is all T. Oh, T. You got a couple of T3 bits in here. Because I'm just thinking this one, and then this one. That's only That's only like 1 point. Yeah, it's less than 1, isn't it? Less than 1, but the specs are slightly different. I would say, to be honest with you, I would say for 6.5 blocks between this one, the Christmas miner, and this one, I would definitely go for this one, because the thing is, with this one, the best you can get is 7.8, but the likelihood you're going to get 7.8 straight out the bat without actually upgrading that miner is very low. But here, you could possibly get an 8.2. But you're most likely going to get, let's say you're most likely going to get mid-range. You're probably not going to get bottom. I mean, on any of these, you're probably not going to get bottom. Even with the frozen miner, you probably won't get the bottom. So, let's say you get middle. So let's say you get 10 gigahash for 6.5. Compared to what you're getting for this, at 5.75, I would definitely say the cookie miner is the better deal. Definitely would say that. Obviously, that is just my opinion. Okay, so that is obviously the Christmas event. You've got a long time to go at that, from the 1st of December, which obviously it's now the 3rd. But that's going to take you right the way through to the 7th of January. And for those of you that don't know a whole lot about mining blocks, but think it looks like a fun and interesting way to earn yourself some free crypto, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to an earlier video. Now, that's going to act like a tutorial. It's going to give you a lot more information and a better understanding of what you need to be doing to get your accounts up and running and earning yourself some of these free coins. But if you go right the way to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. Now, I did say this was good in two ways. Now, if you feel you're going to struggle to get all of those parts, and you're definitely going to struggle to get the blocks, then what you can do, if we go into boxes, if you go into boxes and you can get yourself, what are they called? Mining tokens, aren't they? They're just, I'm just like, mining tokens. If you can get yourself a load of mining tokens, 3,500 to be precise, you can have a go at the Christmas box. Now, this box is guaranteed to give you a miner. So all you need is 3,500 mining tokens. These are the miners that are available. So you've got all of the miners we were just looking at, or you've got the old miner. But this old miner, yeah, it's like, what is it, 2 years old or something like that. I've got about 16 of them. But at one point, the maximum this would go up to is about 10. I don't know what the max, but as I've been upgrading mine, I've noticed that it's getting less and less. The max power that you get from a level 10 one of these. Like, I've got some at level 10 that are at like 11 gigahash, and then my most recent one, which I've got at level 9 at the moment, and I'm just trying to update that. When that gets updated, I think that's only going to be about 8.5. But still, 8.5, if you can get 3,500 tokens for less than what you can buy, let's say, the Christmas miner for, or even the cookie miner, because obviously that was 8.2, I think, as the lowest. But if you could get 3,500 tokens for less than 6.75 or no 6.25 or 5.75, yeah, you could get one of these. Yes, you will have to upgrade it to level 10 to get, like, but you could get that, and at the very lowest that might be, let's say that might be 5 gigahashes. Once you upgrade it, you could get up to like 10, between 8 and 10, let's say, because like I say, the last one, the one I'm upgrading now, looks like it's only going to go to 8, whereas the older ones went higher. So it might, let's say, might be only 8.5. But I mean, it's because obviously with doing it with crafting, you've got to spend the money or earn the parts. Yes, you can earn them using PTC ads, short links, all that kind of stuff. So if you do a lot on the site, you pick up a lot of spare parts, then brilliant. Yeah, but you've then still got to pay for it in block. Whereas this, you could buy all your mining tokens. Admittedly, it is a loot box. It's a complete roll of the dice on what you end up with. I mean, the gift miner, out of all of these, I'm not sure. What was that at? That was at, well, it was like, that was like 4 point something, wasn't it? It was like 4.5. So that might be almost on a par with when you first get this. But the highest that's probably going to go to level 10 is 8 or something, maybe, you know, maybe 7 or something like that. So it obviously depends on how you are with, you know, the amount of work putting into the site, and whether you feel you can get the parts, but you've also then got to get the blocks. So let me have a look at it. So yeah, so this gift miner is actually lower than the old Christmas miner, because this is coming in at 2.8, whereas, like I say, straight out the box, level 0, when you were getting the old Christmas miner, that was normally around about a 4 to 5. So the gift miner out of all of those ones in the box is probably the lowest one. So there is the possibility that you could get 3,500 tokens and end up with this one as being the lowest one. So I don't know. Again, it all depends on how you work your account. But I'm just showing you that that is an option. And if you go into the marketplace and look at materials, look at mining token, So if we look here, see, mining tokens even are not that much when it comes to, I mean, I could get well over 100 with less, you know, only half a Tron. I could get over 100 there, which I will, in fact. So look, 100. There you go. And I'm still not even anywhere near down to that. So, like I say, they're not mega expensive mining tokens if you want to go that route. So also as well, we're getting really close to another payout. I haven't done any payouts for ages or any withdrawals for ages because, again, what I was doing with all my spare coins, I was, including my Matic, I was buying those pool experience tokens, trying to bump up our mining pools so basically you guys could earn more. But now what I'm doing is, with the tokens, with the mining tokens, I'm only spending my other coins that I've got on those, and my Matic I'm now starting to build up for withdrawals again. So finally, how have I built up my account? If we drop into inventory, so that is my Christmas miner that I've got at level 9, which I'm trying to build up. All I need now is I've got everything apart from T2 chips. I haven't got enough T2 chips, and that's what I'm sort of aiming for. So on top of that, what we did was I upgraded this from level 6 to level 7, which gave me an extra 2 and a bit gigahash. And then if we scroll down, over the last few weeks, I have added, oh, well, obviously in the Halloween, I added that, the Ghost Miner or whatever it was called. But in the last few weeks, I've also added this miner, this mid-retro miner, which gave me 5 gigahashes. I've also added this one, which gave me 5.5 gigahashes. This one at 5.5 gigahashes, and this one at 5.5 gigahashes. I think that's it. Maybe this one as well was included in the last 3 weeks. Was this Pig Purple miner at 4.5 gigahashes, which has then resulted of me ending up at 318 gigahashes. And obviously we're just pushing the account forward all the time, you know, and yeah, and obviously trying to make as many withdrawals as possible from this point. Matic is currently my favorite coin because these guys don't have BNB on here, so Matic is what I withdraw. And like I say, you know, that is what the goal is now to just push the account forward and just keep making those withdrawals. Okay, I am going to leave that there. It has gone on a bit longer than I expected, so very sorry for that. If you are interested in that earlier video that I talked about, it's probably on your screen right now. And if you can smash that like button, please, it really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.